Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Jupyter notebooks are interactive computing environments that allow you to create and share documents containing live code, equations, visualizations, and narrative text. In this tutorial, we will explore how to use Python scripting in Jupyter notebooks. We'll cover the basics of creating and running Python scripts, as well as how to leverage the interactive features of Jupyter. Before we start, make sure you have Python and Jupyter installed. You can install Jupyter using open a terminal and run. This will open the Jupyter Notebook interface in your default web browser. Create a new notebook by clicking on New and selecting Python 3 under the Notebooks section. Jupyter notebooks are divided into cells. The two main types are code cells and markdown cells. Code cells allow you to write and execute Python code. To create a code cell, click on the plus button in the toolbar and choose Code from the drop-down menu. Markdown cells are used for text and documentation. You can create a new markdown cell by selecting Markdown from the drop-down menu. To run a code cell, select it and press Shift plus Enter. This will execute the code and display the output below the cell. Jupyter supports magic commands, which are special commands that start with % or %%. For example, Jupyter widgets enable interactive user interfaces. Here's a simple example. You can share your notebooks by saving them in different formats, such as HTML or PDF. Use the File menu to export your notebook.